As the name indicates, genetic algorithms something relationship with biology. The term genetics means study of genes, and this algorithms means how these genetic concepts are modeled in our computer science. Genetic algorithms are heuristic search and optimization technique that mimic the process of natural evolution. When we think about evolution, genetics, and natural selection, an example of giraffes comes to our mind. How these giraffes got long necks? Giraffes with slightly longer legs tried to feed on leaves of higher branches when all the lower leaves had been eaten off. By eating leaves of longer branches, giraffes had a better chance of survival. Favorable characteristics propagated through generations of giraffe. Now, the evolved species have long necks. Maybe initially, these long necks are created by mutation, and as it was favorable, this was propagated over generation. Now, how this concept of natural selection and evolution can be applied in problem solving. For example, consider knapsack problem. As everyone knows, knapsack has some particular capacity to hold items. We need to fill this knapsack with items such as it maximizes this capacity or its profit. So initially we don't know which items gives the better profit. So initially starting from some random solutions. And from this random solutions we are taking some better items, and over the generations we are performing some genetic operators, and over the generations we get better solutions. Evolution of better solutions through natural selection. Genetic algorithms is an iterative process. It is a searching technique. Genetic algorithms are a particular class of evolutionary algorithms. The principle of genetic algorithms is natural selection. Select the best, discard the rest. Some basic terminology we can consider. Individual means any possible solution. In an individual is otherwise known as chromosome. Population means group of all individuals. The genes are joined to form a string called chromosomes. Allele means a particular value of a gene. Locus means position of a gene. For example, in knapsack problem, collection of item like 1, 2, 3, that is an individual. All the possible or random collections of such solutions are population. Genes means this one, item 2, that are genes. Genes are collected to form chromosome or individual. This allele. Allele means a particular value for a gene. For example, for an item 1, it can take either 0 or 1. The value 0 means that item is not taken, 1 means item has taken. So, allele means a particular value. Locus means the position of gene. For example, consider this is a population set of chromosomes, and this one is an individual. And how many genes here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 genes here. And what is the value of this gene? Third gene, 0. That is allele. Now, continuing the basic terminologies, we should be clear about genotype and phenotype. Genotype means the combination of genes is genotype. That means, for example, B, the value of gene, B means black eyes and B means brown eyes. Genotype can be BB, the combination of genes, that is genotype. Phenotype means the actual physical meaning of that trait. For example, BB, this one means black eyes because the dominant feature is black. We are assuming, and BB gives brown eyes. In genetic algorithms, we need to encode our traits. Encoding means mapping from phenotype to genotype. Decoding means mapping from genotype to phenotype. The basic genetic algorithm. At time t equal to 0 or 0 generation, we are initializing some population. While the termination condition is not met, we are evaluating the fitness of each member in the population and select the members from the population based on fitness. The individuals having better fitness can be selected. Produce offsprings using genetic operators. From the initial population, we are trying to select some better individuals, and using that better individuals, we are performing some genetic operators to produce new solutions. Genetic operators: crossover, mutation, inversion. Now we got some new set of solution. We have some initial solution and now we have some new set of solution. So based on the fitness of new solutions, replace the candidates of initial population with these new children. Or in some cases, we replace the current population with the newly generated population. Or in some cases, the current population, the new offsprings are used to replace some bad individuals of the current population. Then t equal t plus 1. It continues until the termination condition is met. Consider this flowchart. Starting, initialize some random population. Convergence criteria is met. If it is met means we can stop. Otherwise, we have to evaluate the fitness. Select parents. This process is selection. Once we get the selection parents, we can produce offsprings using crossover, mutation and inversion. Then again checks for the convergence. If convergence criteria is met, we can stop. Otherwise, repeat this process. So in general, genetic algorithms require initialization of some population, selection of better parents, and reproducing new solutions. And this process iterates over some generations until the convergence criteria is met. We can snapshot the concepts we have discussed till now. Initial population is randomly generated. Individuals with better fitness from generation T are taken to generate individuals of T plus 1th generation. New individual, that means offspring, is created by applying crossover and mutation to the selected individuals, that is parents. Finally, the new population is evaluated and the process is repeated. The termination condition may be a desired fitness function or maximum number of generations, etc. Implementation of genetic algorithm requires initialization of population and encoding, that we will discuss later, fitness evaluation and selection, crossover, mutation, inversion, convergence test. Here this encoding means how we represent solutions. In case of knapsack problem, we can encode solution as binary strings. 1 means item is selected, 0 means item is not selected. Initialization usually done at random. Encoding means how the solutions can be represented to fit in genetic algorithm framework. Selection means how to select the best parents from the population so as to generate the next generation. Convergence means how to decide the termination criterion. Fitness evaluation, how to evaluate a solution. Crossover, how to make diverse set of next solution. Mutation means how to make some particular changes or how to find other solutions. Inversion means how to change from one place to another. Population is a subset of solutions in the current generation. Initial population, how this initial population can be created. Initial population can be created either by random method or by applying heuristic method. Random initialization means select initial solutions randomly. Heuristic initialization means based on some heuristic concept, select solutions from the search space. Consider this example of knapsack where knapsack capacity is 50 kg and we are having three items. Item weight and cost profit are given. Initial population selected at random can be 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. This means encoding. 0 means item 1 is not taken. 1 means item 2 is taken and this 1 means item 3 is taken. Initially starting from some random population, on each iteration a set of new solutions are generated. Then what happens to the current population or how the population are updated? There are two kinds of genetic algorithms, steady state and generational or simple genetic algorithms. Based on the two population models, steady state and generational. In steady state genetic algorithms, on each iteration, one or two offsprings are created and these offsprings are evaluated. If these new offsprings have better fitness than any of the bad individuals in the current population that are replaced with this new offsprings. In generational population model, in each iteration we generate n new offsprings where n is the population size and the entire current population is replaced with this new n offsprings. Genetic algorithm operators are encoding, selection, crossover, mutation. Encoding means how we represent the solution. Selection means how individuals are selected from population for creating offsprings. Crossover means how the part of parents are combined to create new individuals. Mutation means how randomly make some changes in chromosome to introduce new or better features. In this video, we discussed about what is genetic algorithm and the basic understanding of genetic algorithms. And in the coming video, we discuss about each operators in detail.